Hi everyone, how are you? I am coming to you from my studio today. I have a couple of minutes while one child is having quiet time watching a movie and the other one is sleeping. So instead of writing, I thought I'd try making a video. So my two updates, first one's for everyone and second one is for locals. So I'll go with the one that applies to everyone first, and that is that I have a new print in my online shop. So this little print, this is the original and I made prints of it. It's called Ebb and Flow, and I'll put the link below the video. I have it available in archival prints on paper as well as on canvas in I think 4 different sizes. So check it out. You'll also find there are now 14 images in my online print shop, so there might be something you'd enjoy as a present to yourself or a gift. So the second update is that it is the studio tour this weekend. This is the guide. You might have seen it around town. You can find it online. It's centralislandartsguide.ca, and I'll put a link to it in below the video as well. So it's Saturday and Sunday this weekend from 10 a.m. till 6 p.m. and I'm going to be doing something different this year. I'm not showing at my home studio. I'm going to be showing at Lupine Art Studio, which is where I teach classes that some of you have been to. So I'm with a group of artists there as well as the studio owner. And Lupine is on Cliff Avenue. It's 625 Cliff Avenue, so that's at 6th and Cliff. 6th and Cliff, that's hard to say. And it's the same building as Tulio's restaurant, so that's a good marker to remember. I will be in, all my work will be there the whole weekend from 10 till 6, but I might pop in and out to take care of my children and check on them. If you really want to connect with me at a certain time, let me know by email and I will be sure to be there. I will have original artwork there, and there will be other artists, as I mentioned, who are showing their paintings and pottery and prints and things like that. So I hope you come by and visit, and I look forward to seeing you. Thanks, bye!